Hey guys, it's John from John's DIY Playground. Today I'm going to review this cover I was given to review from Fonzier brand. You can see it, link to it in the Amazon links below. I will go over an unboxing, show you some of the features I like about this cover, and then give you my overall review and impression after putting it on my 26-foot RV. So let's get started. When you're unboxing your RV cover, make sure that you're not cutting too deep into the box, although Fonzier brand does provide an inner liner, but the cover is sitting very close to the top of this box, so just don't cut into that vacuum wrapped cover. And you can see it's wrapped very well and it's very tight. There's many other accessories included, including straps that you use for going under the RV and over as well. The warranty from Fonzier, an extra storage cover, and everything you need to put the whole thing together. Here you can see the straps and the little throwy up in the front of the picture here to throw the straps underneath the RV. Typically in the corners, these gutters are an area where it tends to rip the cover, so the kit comes with these foam protectors for the gutter that you just slip over the gutter like so. And then you take the little baggie that comes with each one, put the baggie over, and then secure the straps. Here the gutter is covered and protected and ready for us to throw the cover over top and not cause any rips over storage in the winter. There's a couple of markers on this cover. End is for the back end of your trailer. One marked front is for the nose of the trailer. Best thing is to put the whole cover up on top of your trailer like I'm showing here, and then start laying it out and unfurling it. Make sure you get the nose section pretty far forward, and then find a friend to help you pull the cover up and over any particular obstructions you have, like in my case, my awning, and then some of the things on the roof. So have a friend for this part. Here you can see the cover's unfurled and we're ready to put the straps underneath and over top. I'm going to show that in a second here, but I want to point out these extra reinforced straps at the bottom of the cover so that they're not likely to tear over winter due to wind or any other reason. They're definitely reinforced well, and I like the features with this cover and how strong that part is. So here to do the throwies, you clip on your underneath strap, and then the little throwy will clip onto the other end. So just find your other end and clip on this little heavy stick that's kind of woven into the fabric there. Clip it in and then just take a wind up and throw it under. Just like that. Here's my RV with the straps completely attached, including the one that goes over the top, which is another unique feature with this cover. It really helps keep the cover from flapping around in the wind, especially on the roof area where the RV's air conditioner and vents are located. So very happy with this feature, and I think it's going to hold up well over winter. You can see those two vents on this side, and there's also two more on the back side to help vent the cover as well so that it breathes well. So you have the finished product here, all wrapped up nice. Real happy with the quality here. You can see the thinner layers, the lower spot, and then once you get to the vent, it's thicker layers starting up there, 6 layers I believe. And the throwies worked really good to get the straps down and underneath the trailer. Had no issues with the instructions. These panels, they tightened up really nice. See the logo there. A little bit of reinforcement and reflectors there too. And then the zippers here to access your door. Undo that zipper there all the way up. Undo that zipper there all the way up. My door is right down there just behind the wheels. But yeah, the straps over the top make it unique in that some of my other ones I've used in the past, they didn't have that strap, and like a lot of the things like the air conditioner and whatnot can flop around and allow space, and this thing really snugs it up having those two straps, and will keep the thing from flopping in the wind. And you can see the corners are really enforced well, and those gutter protectors are in place. So that's it. Hopefully you learned something. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. This is John from John's DIY Playground. Have a great day.